Using a T15 Torx bit and your ratchet, I'm going to go ahead and remove this forward mounted bolt. Grab the marker light, gently pull it forward. You're going to release the lock tab off the back side of the marker from the bumper itself. Twist counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Take your Torx bit screw. Go ahead and get that started inside the lens. Grab your bulb. You want to go ahead and make sure you match up these notches correctly on the back of the light itself. Put it in, twist clockwise, and you hear it lock into place. Install the back tab into the bumper notch itself. Line that up, and go ahead and get your screw started. Just snug that down gently. There you go.